Hello grade 10 learners! How do you feel solving polynomial equation using remainder theorem? I will present to you this time another way of solving polynomial equation using synthetic division method. In synthetic division method, always remember this question. What makes the remainder 0? Example, solve 6x squared plus x cubed plus 11x plus 6 equals 0 using synthetic division. Step 1. Arrange the numerical coefficient of the variable involved. So therefore, rewriting this polynomial equation, we have x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0. The leading term now is x cubed because x cubed has the highest exponent which is 3. Or the degree is 3, followed by 6x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0. 1 is the numerical coefficient of x cubed, 6 the numerical coefficient of 6x squared, 11 from 11x, and then 6. Step 2. Place R at the upper left corner. R will be from the factors of 6, which is the last term. In trial 1, we have r equals 1. 1 is a factor of 6 because 6 times 1 will give us 6. Copy the first numerical coefficient, which is 1. And then step 3, get the product of r and the first number on the third row, which is the numerical coefficient of the first term or the leading term. Multiply 1 and r. The answer is 1. Place it under the second numerical coefficient, which is 6, and then combine. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 times 1 is 7. Combine 11 and 7, we have 18. 18 times r, which is 1, equals 18. So 6 plus 18 equals 24. 24 is the remainder. Since the remainder is not 0, therefore 1 is not a root of x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0. We will do trial number 2. We need the factors of 6, the last term, to be our r. This time we will use r equals negative 1. Negative 1 is a factor of 6 because negative 1 times negative 6 will give us positive 6. r times 1 is negative 1. If we will combine 6 and negative 1, that is 5. 5 times r, which is negative 1, will give us negative 5. If we will combine 11 and negative 5, that is 6. Times negative 1 will give us negative 6. Combine 6 and negative 6 will give us 0, meaning the remainder is 0. Therefore, negative 1 is a root of x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0. For trial number 3, we will find another factors of 6, which is negative 2 this time, to be the value of our r. So our r is negative 2. Get the product of r, negative 2 and 1 will give us negative 2. Combine 6 and negative 2, we have positive 4. Times negative 2 will give us negative 8. 11 combined with negative 8 is 3. 3 times r, which is negative 2, is negative 6. Combine 6 and negative 6, the answer is 0, meaning the remainder is 0. Since the remainder is 0, therefore negative 2 is a root of x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0. For trial number 4, we will use another factor of 6, which is negative 3 to be our r. Negative 3 is a factor of 6 because negative 3 times negative 2 will give us positive 6. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Combining 6 and negative 3, we have 3 times r, negative 3 is negative 9. 11 combined with negative 9 is positive 2. Positive 2 times negative 3, the value of our r is negative 6. 6 combined with negative 6 is 0. Since the remainder is 0, therefore negative 3 is a root of x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0. So again, the remainder is 0 at x equals negative 2 when we use synthetic division method. Therefore, x equals negative 2 is a root of x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0. And therefore, x plus 2 is a factor of x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0. The remainder is also 0 at x equals negative 3. Therefore, x plus 3 is a factor of x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0. And also, the remainder is 0 at x equals negative 1. We can also say that x plus 1 is a factor of x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0. The roots therefore of x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0 are x equals negative 2, x equals negative 3, and x equals negative 1. The factored form of x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0 is x plus 1 times x plus 3 times x plus 1 equals 0. Okay, you try this. Solve x raised to 4 plus 8x squared minus 5x cubed minus 2 equals 0. If you notice, the exponents of the variable involved are not arranged. And there is a missing exponent 1. So therefore, we can also write this as x raised to 4 plus 8x squared minus 5x cubed plus 0x minus 2 equals 0. Every time we do synthetic division, we will put 0 for missing exponent. In this given, we started with 4, and then we have 3, we have 2, but we do not have 1. So the numerical coefficient of x with exponent 1 is missing, therefore we will use 0. Again, do not forget to arrange the exponents in descending order. Solve using synthetic division, give the factors, write the given polynomial equation in factored form. Happy learning! Stay safe, stay healthy, pray always.